where we received more than 10,000 emails on doubts of maths, and they've given us list after list with the doubts that students had across the country. We are delighted to present those questions to our teachers, moderators and special examiners. They have identified the most probable questions, and in this video we will be solving it. If you have more doubts, feel free to write to us at care@meritstore.in or write in the comment section down below, and we will get in touch with you soon with the solutions that for which you want it to be solved. So over to the teacher.
If y is equal to e raised to 10x, then cos square x into d square y by dx square is equal to. Now we'll start with the given equation. Y is equal to e raised to 10x. So by definition, log y is equal to 10x. Now if you differentiate this, so this will become 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to sec square x. Correct? Y will multiply on the other side, so this will become dy by dx is equal to y into sec square x. Okay, now so this will become cos square x dy by dx is equal to y. Now again we will differentiate. So here we have to apply u into v rule. So cos square x d square y by dx square minus 2 cos x sin x dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Now we have to find the value of this. So we'll shift this on other side. So this will become cos square x d square y by dx square is equal to 2 cos x sin x dy by dx plus dy by dx. Now this is nothing but sin 2x, and we will take dy by dx common, so it is 1 plus sin 2x dy by dx. So here C is the correct answer. The value of constants a and b, so that limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 minus ax minus b equal to 0 is. Now we'll start with the given limit. So this is limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 minus ax minus b is equal to 0. Now we'll take the LCM here. So limit x tends to infinity, this will become x square plus 1 minus ax plus b into x plus 1 the whole upon x plus 1 is equal to 0. By expanding this bracket and taking x square common, we'll get x square into 1 minus a minus a plus b into x minus b plus 1 the whole upon x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now as limit x tends to infinity, numerator and denominator degree should be equal. So here this term is extra. So therefore 1 minus a should be equal to 0. So that will give you a is equal to 1. And the answer of this limit is 0. So coefficient of x has to be equal to 0. So a plus b is also equal to 0. So from that we can substitute the value of a. So 1 plus b is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 1. So here a is 1, b is minus 1. So b is the correct answer. Integration of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 under root of x cube plus x square plus x dx is equal to. Now again we'll start with the given condition. X minus 1 upon x plus 1 under root of x cube plus x square plus x. Now what we'll do is, here we will multiply and divide by x plus 1, which will give you and this will become x plus 1 the whole square. This root term will remain same. Now x minus 1, x plus 1 will become x square minus 1, and here we will expand this, so x square plus 2x plus 1 under root x cube plus x square plus x will remain same. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll divide numerator denominator by x square, so this will become 1 minus 1 upon x square, then this will become x plus 1 upon x plus 2, and this is x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Now we'll do the substitution. X plus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to t. So if you differentiate this, you will get 1 minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to dt, which is present in the question. So here it is dx. So now this question will become integration of 2t dt upon t square plus 1 under root of t square. Here we will substitute as t square, so this will become 2t dt. Now under root of t square will get cancelled, so t and t will get cancelled, so it is only 2 upon integration of 1 upon t square plus 1, which is equal to 2 times tan inverse of t. And now we will resubstitute the value, so that is 2 times tan inverse of under root of x plus 1 upon x plus 1. So here A is the answer. If A bar and B bar are unit vectors, then the greatest value of A bar plus B bar plus magnitude of A bar minus B bar is. Now first of all we'll start with this condition, A bar and B bar are unit vectors. So therefore A bar dot B bar will become cos theta, where theta is angle between A and B. Now we'll consider this term, magnitude of A bar plus B bar the whole square is equal to magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square plus 2 times A bar dot B bar. Now as magnitude is 1, so this will become 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 times, and A bar dot B bar is cos theta. By taking 2 common, this will become 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So magnitude of A bar plus B bar square is equal to 4 cos square theta by 2. Now same way, if we consider magnitude of A bar minus B bar the whole square, then this will become 2 sin theta by 2. So here magnitude of A bar plus B bar, we can say it is 2 cos theta by 2. So similarly magnitude of A bar minus B bar the whole square is 4 sin square theta by 2. So therefore magnitude of A bar B bar is equal to 2 sin theta by 2. Now if you add these two values, so magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus A bar minus B bar is equal to 2 will take common, in bracket it is sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Now the greatest value of sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 is root 2. So this value, the greatest value will become 2 root 2. So answer is C. If in a triangle ABC, 2 cos A upon A plus cos B upon B plus 2 cos C upon C is equal to A upon BC plus B upon AC, then we have to find the value of B square plus C square. Now we will start with the given condition, that is 2 cos A upon A plus cos B upon B plus 2 cos C upon C is equal to A upon BC plus B upon AC. Now we will multiply both sides by ABC. So that will give you 2BC cos A plus AC cos B plus 2AB cos C is equal to A square plus B square. Now by applying cosine rule, you will get B square plus C square minus A square plus C square plus A square minus B square the whole upon 2 plus A square plus B square minus C square is equal to A square minus A square plus B square. Now on simplifying this, we'll get C square plus A square minus B square is equal to 2A square plus 2B minus 2B square. So after simplifying, you will get B square plus C square is equal to A square. So here A is the correct option. Total number of solutions of sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x is equal to sin x into cos x in the interval 0 to 2 pi is equal to. Now we'll start with the given condition. Sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x is equal to sin x into cos x. Now here if you apply the formula, a square plus b square the whole square minus 2a square b square, so this will become sin square x plus cos square x the whole square minus 2 sin square x into cos square x is equal to sin x into cos x. Now sin square plus cos square is 1, so this is 1 minus sin square 2x by 2 is equal to sin 2x by 2. This we got by applying the formula sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Now next we will take LCM, so this will become sin square 2x plus sin 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. On simplifying this quadratic equation, you will get sin 2x plus 2 into sin 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here you will get only one value because sin 2x cannot be greater than or less than minus 2 or greater than 2. So here we will consider this equation sin 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This will give sin 2x is equal to 1. Now applying the general solution, you will get 2x is equal to 4n plus 1 pi by 2. So x is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 4. Now as we have to find the solution in 0 to 2 pi, so here there are only two values of x which will satisfy this condition, that is pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. So there are only two solutions, so A is the correct option. Tan 3x upon tan x never lies between. Now we have to find between which values it will never lie. So we'll consider, let y is equal to tan 3x upon tan x. Now here we will apply the formula of tan 3x, so that is 3 tan x minus tan cube x the whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. This tan x will remain same. Now if you take tan x common from numerator, so 1 tan x will get cancelled, so you will get 3 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x, that is equal to y. So now cross multiplying will get tan square x into 3y minus 1 is equal to y minus 3. So therefore tan square x is equal to y minus 3 upon 3y minus 1. Now as we know, tan square x will always be greater than or equal to 0 for all values of x. So therefore y minus 3 upon 3y minus 1 will always be greater than or equal to 0. So that will give you y minus 3 into 3y minus 1 will always be greater than or equal to 0. So this will give you y is less than or equal to 1 by 3 or y is greater than or equal to 3. So it lies between 1 by 3 and 3. So B is the correct answer. Three numbers are chosen at random without replacement from the numbers 1 to 3 up to 10. The probability that the minimum of the chosen number is 4 or their maximum is 8 is. Now first of all we'll consider minimum. So the probability of 4 being the minimum number will be equal to 6C2 upon 10C3. Because 4 is the minimum number, then the remaining number are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total there are 6 numbers from which you have to select any 2. Now the probability of 8 being maximum number is equal to 6C2 upon 10C3. The same way as we have selected 4, here we can select 8 as a maximum number. So the probability of 4 being minimum and 8 being maximum is equal to 3 upon 10C3. Now we have to find either 4 is minimum or 8 is maximum. So we will use this formula. Probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So that will give you 6C2 upon 10C3 plus 7C2 upon 10C3 minus 3 upon 10C3. After simplifying this, you will get 11 by 40. So here A is the correct answer.
Howdy children, how are you doing? I hope you've paused it, written it, solved with the teacher, and I'm sure by doing these questions, and which will come to you again after me going from here, I'm sure you'll have much more doubts because you're solving. I hope you're solving all the papers. In the description, if you read, I've given you some more links, some more crash courses, and if you need more, you can of course visit meritstore.in. All this available to you, and we are here committed so that you can give us more doubts, and we are willing to solve all of them for you right here on our channel. So this channel is an outcome of all your love, care, concern, and of course subscription. So keep up going, and thank you very much.
If A, B, C are real numbers with A not equal to 0 and that alpha and beta be the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a cube x square plus abcx plus c cube equal to 0 has roots. So now we'll start with the given equation, that is a cube x square plus abcx plus c cube is equal to 0. Now we will divide both sides by c square. So we will get a into bracket ax by c the whole square plus b into bracket ax by c the whole plus c is equal to 0. So now here ax by c will be equal to alpha and beta, which are the roots. So value of x will be C by A into alpha, C by A into beta. But we know that alpha into beta is nothing but C by A. So substituting this value here, we'll get x is equal to alpha square beta and x is equal to alpha beta square. So one root is alpha square beta and other root is alpha beta square. So A is the answer. For every square matrix A dash minus A dash A is. Now we'll start with the condition A dash minus A dash A the whole dash. This we can write it as A dash the whole dash minus A dash A the whole dash. On simplifying this, we'll get A double dash A dash minus A dash A double dash, which is equal to A dash minus A dash A. So here this is nothing but a symmetric matrix. So A is the correct option. The first of two samples has 100 items with mean 15 and standard deviation 3. If the whole group has 250 items with mean 15.6 and standard deviation root 13.44, then the standard deviation of the second group is. Now here we will use this formula that sigma square is equal to n1 into sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus d2 square the whole upon n1 plus n2, where what is the value of d1? So d1 is m1 minus a, d2 is m2 minus a. A is nothing but the mean of whole group, whereas m2 is mean of second group. So substituting these values in the formula, we'll get 15.6 is equal to 100 into 15 plus 150 into m2 upon 250. After solving this equation, you will get m2 is equal to 16. So now 13.44 is equal to 100 into 9 plus 150 into sigma square plus 100 into 0.6 square plus 150 into 0.4 square the whole upon 250. Now after solving this, you will get sigma square is equal to 4. So B is the correct answer. The sum of an infinite geometric series is 2 and the sum of their geometric series made from the cubes of their infinite series is 24. Then the series is. Now first of all we'll assume let the first term be A and common ratio be R. Then we know the formula, sum of infinite terms A upon 1 minus R, that is given 2, and A cube upon 1 minus R cube is equal to 24. Now by solving these two equations, we will get 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R the whole cube is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiplying and simplifying, you will get 1 minus 2R plus R square is equal to 3 times 1 plus R square. Further expanding this and solving, you will get 2R square plus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here you will get two values of R, either it is minus 2 or it is minus 1 by 2. But we know minus 1 is less than r is less than 1. So we'll consider only r is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now putting the value of r in equation 1, we'll get a is equal to 2. A is equal to 3. So the series is 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8 and so on. So here C is the correct answer. If 3 raised to 49 into x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I raised to 100 and x is equal to ky, then k is equal to. Now we'll start with the given condition, that is 3 raised to 49 into x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 I complete raised to 100. Now here we will take I root 3 common from these two terms. So you will get 1 minus I root 3 upon 2 raised to 100. Now on simplifying this, you will get 3 raised to 49 x plus iy is equal to I raised to 100, 3 raised to 50 and minus omega raised to 100. Now omega is nothing but complex cube root of unity, whose value is this 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. So now on simplifying further, we'll get 3 raised to 49 x plus iy is equal to 3 raised to 50 into minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. So therefore x plus iy is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3 root 3 by 2 into I. So that will give you x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 y. But in the question given x is equal to ky, so here k is equal to minus 1 by root 3. So here D is the correct answer. The greatest term in the expansion of 1 plus x raised to 10 when x is 2 by 3 is. Now first of all we'll assume let tr and tr plus 1 be the rth term and r plus 1th term in the expansion of 1 plus x raised to 10. Then using the formula we'll get tr is equal to 10 c r minus 1 into x raised to r minus 1 and tr plus 1 is equal to 10 c r x raised to r. Now by taking the ratio of tr plus 1 upon tr, we'll get 10 cr x raised to r upon 10 cr minus 1 x raised to r minus 1. On simplifying this, we'll get 10 cr upon 10 cr minus 1 into x, which will further give you 11 minus r upon r into x. But the value of x is 2 by 3. Substituting that, you will get 11 minus r upon r into 2 by 3. But tr plus 1 upon tr is greater than 1. Therefore 11 minus r upon r into 2 by 3 is greater than 1. So simplifying this, you will get 22 is greater than 5r. So here r is less than 4.4. Now since r is less than 4.4, therefore 4 plus 1th term, that is 5th term is the greatest. Now putting r is equal to 4 in tr plus 1, will get t phi is equal to 10c4 x raised to 4, that is equal to 10c4 x is 2 by 3, so that is raised to 4. On simplifying, you will get 210 2 by 3 raised to 4. So this is the greatest term, so A is the correct option. Now without expanding the determinant at any stage, we have to find the value of this determinant. So to simplify, first we will apply row transformation by applying r1 plus r3 minus r2, we get 4 2x square plus 3x minus 1 x square plus 2x plus 3 0 3x 2x minus 1 0 3x minus 3 and 2x minus 1. Now further, by changing column wise, so using the operations C1 minus C3 and C2 will change C2 minus C3, so you will get 4 2x square plus 2 x square plus 4 0 3 0 0 3x minus 3 2x minus 1. Further, by changing now r2, r2 minus x square by 2 times r1 and r3 minus x square by 4 r1. So by doing this operation, you will get 4 0 0 2 3 3x minus 3 4 0 2x minus 1. Now by applying property of determinant, we can split this into two different determinants, whereas first column will be 4 to 4, second column will be 0 3 0 in both, that is 4 to 4 and 0 3 0. Now this we can split, so that will give you 0 3x 2x, and this will give you 0 minus 3 minus 1. By taking x common from C3, we will get 4 2 4 0 3 0 0 3 2 plus, and this determinant will remain same, 4 0 0 2 3 minus 3 and 4 0 1 4 0 minus 1. So that is of the type, if you consider this as A, so it is A into x plus B form. So here B is the correct option. This is B option. So B is the correct option. The length of common chord of two circles x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square equal to c square and x minus b the whole square plus y minus a the whole square equal to c square is. Now first of all, we'll assume, let S1 denotes the equation of first circle, that is x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to c square, and S2 x minus b the whole square plus y minus a the whole square is equal to c square. Now the equation of common chord is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. So that is x minus a square minus x minus b square plus y minus b square minus y minus a square is equal to 0. On expanding and simplifying, you will get 2x minus a minus b into bracket b minus a plus 2y minus b minus a into bracket a minus b is equal to 0. Further simplifying, 2x minus a minus b minus 2y plus b plus a equal to 0. So this will give you x minus y is equal to 0. Now if you draw the diagram of these two circles, so this is the common chord. Let it be say PQ. Let C1 be the center and C2 be the center of the two circles respectively, and let this point be M. So coordinates of C1 will be A comma B and coordinates of C2 will be B comma A, that are nothing but the centers of the circles. Now length C1M will be equal to A minus B upon under root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to A minus B upon root 2. Now in triangle C1PM we have length PM is equal to under root of C1P square minus C1M square, that is equal to C square. Let us assume that this is C, so that C minus A minus B upon 2 upon root 2 the whole square. So on simplifying this now, and as well as PQ is nothing but 2 times PM, so that is 2 times under root of, now simplifying this is C square minus A minus B the whole square upon 2. On further simplifying, we'll get 4C square minus 2 times A minus B the whole square. So that is nothing but the length of common chord. So correct option is C.
Now that was something, right? A lot of questions in maths, and we hope you have done it well. If you have more doubts to be solved, write to us down here or in the email ID, write to us, and we'll make sure that our teachers come back again in another video with all the queries that you want to be solved. And all the very best for your maths examination, and solve it in the right way, focus it in the right way, don't give it up too soon, and keep fighting.